So, good morning my dear students. In my previous class, that punctuation marks I have explained, and it was essential to be taught, and it is essential which you have to use while writing. And today, whatever in that function, language function, we have read, there are 16 different type of concept which I explained. So, from that language function, you will get 12 marks, question number 47, 48, 49. All those last 3 questions will come from that language function, and here you have to read those questions in your question paper, then you have to answer. So, let us see today with example. Two examples is enough you to understand, and in your question paper if they ask from that question number 47, 48, 49. 49 is the last question. 1 to 49 questions will be there in your question paper. Even that PU board, they for this reduced question paper model, 2 model question paper, they have left in this department website, and you can download those model question paper 1 and 2 all subjects, and that 4 reduced chapters will not be there in that course book, and workbook compulsory, that grammar everything will be there. And let us see today here question number 47 in your question paper. I told you language function, from that the question will be asked in a different manner. Here in a different manner they will ask. See question number 47. Here Roman number 8, question number 47. Here match the expression. Match the expression under column A to it corresponding language function under B. So, A and B, here function, expression, here function, language functions, their expressions. So, according to expressions, which one is suitable to that one expression, we have to write it. Match the following. See, match the expression under column A to its corresponding language function. Language function, here I completed all that 16. Function, language functions under B column. In that B column they have given functions. It is so easy that you can do. See that expressions. First you have to understand the expression and suitable language functions, that you have to match it. Could you give me your pen, please? This expression, here the expression is first one, could you give me your pen, please? So, for that one, what it will be? They have given in this function: introducing, expressing gratitude, requesting, disagreeing, greeting. So, what it will be? Here, say, could you give me your pen, please? So, what it is? Requesting. So, this one. one. First one is what? Could you give me your pen please? Requesting. Second one you see, hello, good morning. So, hello, good morning. So, it is what here? Greeting. Don't confuse, because 5 marks will be there here. 5 marks, if you do a mistake, then you are going to lose marks. So, hello, good morning, greeting. Third one, what you say. Maybe right, but here disagreeing. What it is? Say disagreeing. What you say may be right, but disagreeing. But disagreeing. Then next one here, Raju, this is Ravi. Raju, this is Ravi. What it is? Introducing. So, fourth one, introducing. Then, thank you so much. So, expressing gratitude. All these are the what here? Language functions. According to expressions, we have to match it. So, 5 marks this. In your grammar, I explained all those what function, language function, 16 concept, and easily according to expression you can what? Match it. Here first one, could you give me your pen please? What it is? Requesting. Then good morning, hello, good morning is what? Greeting. What you say may be right, but here what? Disagreeing. Then Raju, this is Ravi, introducing. Thank you so much, it is expressing gratitude. So, within those functions, 16 function, related to those functions, expressions will be given. Those expressions you have to what? Match it. Match this what? The expression. So, let us see second one also. Same thing here, second example. Once again, question number 747, second example. See, one side expressions, second here B column is functions. Nothing but language functions. So, we have to read those expressions, and which one will be the suitable, that we have to write it. First, you have to read this one. I am extremely sorry for the trouble. See, that expression itself shows this what a function. Thank you very much. Go straight, turn left. Lata, this is my friend Shashi. Okay, bye. So, all these are the expressions. Let us see here. I am extremely sorry. See, I am extremely sorry for the trouble. So, what it may be here? Apology. See, apologizing. So, here what? Apology. I am extremely sorry for the trouble. First one. Thank you very much. See here, thank you very much. Once again, what? Expressing gratitude. Expressing gratitude. So, here, go straight, turn left. See, giving direction. Third one, giving direction. So, next one is what here? Lata, this is my friend Shashi. So, what it is? Once again, introducing. Introducing what? Friend. Lata, this is my friend Shashi. So, introducing. And then, okay, bye, see you. All this is what? Leave taking. So, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to match the expressions. In the column A, expressions will be given. B, function will be given. We have to read the expressions and we have to match it. So, easy to what? Done this question, and you will get what? 5 marks. So, be aware of that. So, question number 47 in your question paper. Next, I told you 12 marks will come from that. Same thing, but here quite different. What it is? Complete the dialogue. Even the examples which they have given in your workbook, I think you are done, and even also some dialogues, conversation I have explained in my previous class, and let us see today here what it is. The question will be 48, 47 is what? Match the expressions. Here complete the dialogue. What happens? The question will be asked. Here the question will be asked like this: complete the dialogue. A conversation between a teacher, here between a teacher and the student who has come late to the class. Who has come late to the class? One thing here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 marks for this. 5, 4, 9 marks. See, here 4 marks. What we should do means here student, here student, teacher, student, teacher, student, teacher, student. So, you have to write a dialogue between, already they will be given what? Between a teacher and the student. That student who has come late. So, let us see here. Student, may dash sir, may I come in sir. So, you can write it, may I come in, may I come in sir, may I come in sir. Then teacher, why are you late? Teacher will ask, why are you late? And here student, I am sorry sir, I missed the bus. I missed the bus. See, according to that you have to write it. According to dialogue, conversation between, you have to write it. Simple. Then teacher, why did you miss the bus? You should have left home early. See, that is the question here. Why did you miss the bus? You should have left home early. Then student, here, sorry sir, sorry sir, hereafter I will leave the home early. So, it must be suitable. That conversation must be suitable according to that situation. Already they will be given situation. Here what the situation? A conversation means dialogue between a teacher and the student who has come late to the class. Even they will be given what will be there in this blank, that we have to write it. So, hereafter, sorry sir, hereafter I will leave the home early. Teacher, okay, come in. Then, thank you sir. Thank you sir. So, 4 marks. 4 blanks will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blanks will be there, and you can write it according to that conversation, dialogue. So, one side here expression, here match the expression. That expression you have to match to what? Here functions. And next one, from that itself, here in that language function, from that itself, another question, question number 48, complete the dialogue. The question title will be the complete the dialogue. Even what? Teacher and the student. So, another one example, let us see here, this one here, complete the dialogue. See here, between whom? Complete the dialogue between what? Friends. Meeting of two friends. Here, meeting of two friends. Complete the dialogue, meeting of two friends. Radha and Sheila. Radha, good morning Sheila, dash, how are you, dash, thank you. Then Sheila, dash. Then Radha, I am going to the market. Sheila, okay. See the conversation. According to conversation, you have to write. See, good morning Sheila. Then Sheila, what the response will be there? Good morning, how are you? See, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, how are you? So, that is what here. Then, Radha, dash, thank you. So, what you can write it here? Good morning, how are you? Fine. Fine. Thank you. See, it must be what? Suitable. That conversation should be match. So, that is what here. Fine, thank you. Then here Sheila. What the Sheila? See, please remember to frame here, you have to read, I am going to the market. Then Sheila will ask. See, don't confuse here, I am going to the market. What we can write? Where are you going? Where are you going? So, where are you going? I am going to the market. I am going to the market. Then Sheila, okay. Then what you can write it here? Okay. Thank you. Okay. Bye. Because friend. You can write not thank you here. Bye. Okay. Bye. Here Radha, good morning Sheila. Good morning, how are you? Fine, thank you. Where are you going? I am going to the market. Sheila will tell, okay, bye. Okay, see you. So, like this you should do. 4 marks, 2 examples I have given, and here also 2 examples. Here match the expressions, column A and what? B. A is expression, B is what? Function. Here what it is? Complete the dialogue according to what that given situation you have to write it. So, 4 marks for this and 5 marks will be for this. And another question, question number what? 49. Here question number 49 will be there, and that one see question number 49. Here dialogue writing. See, dialogue writing. Complete the dialogue. Question number 48, what it is? Complete the dialogue. This one here, what? dialogue writing. Here, dialogue writing. Salim goes to the railway station to enquiry about the trains to Delhi on Sunday. Write a dialogue between Salim and the receptionist. So, what here? Dialogue writing. In this dialogue writing, question asked what? Salim goes to the railway station to enquiry about the trains to Delhi on Sunday. Write a dialogue between Salim and the receptionist. Let us see here what it is. Salim. Salim, excuse me. Excuse me, madam. Then receptionist. Receptionist. See here, according to this, what situation? Dialogue writing. So, what here? Excuse me, madam. Receptionist. Yes, please, what can I do for you? So, here, yes, please, what can I do for you? Question. Then Salim. Salim, I want a reservation for Delhi. 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 Then here receptionist. Receptionist. Reservation available for Karnataka Express. Then Salim, thank you, madam. Thank you, madam. So, like this here, see what it is? Dialogue writing. Previous one, complete the dialogue. Already given that we have to complete, and this one here we have to create, imagine, and then we have to write it. So, what it is here? 3 marks. 5 marks for this, 4 marks and 3 marks. 12 marks will come from that language function. So, here dialogue writing, conversation between what here? Salim, receptionist, we have to create and write. And also what it is? Salim goes to the railway station to enquiry about the trains to Delhi on Sunday. Write a dialogue between Salim and the receptionist. So, here Salim, excuse me, madam. Receptionist, we have to write it the what? Person. Salim, and another person is what? Receptionist. Yes, please, what can I do for you? Then Salim will say, I want a reservation for Delhi. Even you can write it further. I want a reservation for Delhi. Please give train details for this Sunday. Whatever. So, what you should do according to the situation, you have to write. Any suitable conversation, according to situation, you have to write. Then receptionist, reservation available for Karnataka Express. Then Salim will say, thank you, madam. So, like this here, I will just read another one example, say dialogue writing. Student goes to a public library. He speaks to the librarian about the timing. Write a dialogue between them. So, here student goes to a public library. He speaks to the librarian about the timings. Write a dialogue between them. So, conversation between student and librarian. Imagine what he is asking timing to that librarian. He is asking timing. So, according to that situation, you have to write it. See, for example, student, good morning, sir. So, librarian will be sat at the what office or counter, then he will say, good morning, sir. Librarian, good morning. Student will say, could you tell me the working hours of the library? Could you, polite manner, in a polite manner, could you tell me the working hours of the library? And librarian, what he will say? Yes, certainly, it is from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Yes, certainly, it is from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Student, thank you, sir. Student, thank you, sir. So, like this here, dialogue writing. Here that one, complete the dialogue. 4 marks for this, 3 marks, and for this 5 marks. So, overall 12 marks will come from this language function. You see the old question papers, and also you can download from PU board, which in their website, a model question paper you can download and go through these 47, question number 48, and then 49. So, you can do yourself. I have given two examples, and you can do yourself easily. You can get 12 marks. Okay. Thank you.